What is up, everybody? All right, we are on to unit 4.4. So continuing with our ways to show that triangles are congruent without having to show that everything is congruent. So we have two new ones for today, and we're going to talk about this guy down here and how you should never use that. So to start, if we have two pairs of corresponding congruent angles, so angle A, angle C, angle D, and angle F, and the included corresponding side is congruent, so side AC and side DF, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF because of angle side angle, or in this case ASA. So ASA is adding on to our options, so now we have 3. Next one, two pairs of corresponding congruent angles, so angle A and C, D and F, same ones again, and a non-included side, so in this case side BD and side EF. So triangle ABC is once again congruent to triangle DEF, and that is because of angle, angle, side, or AAS. So that brings our total of ways to show triangles are congruent to 4. Side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. So that last box, okay, is for ones that do not work. Do not work. And the first one is angle, angle, angle. Okay, now, remember when we were doing dilation and how you changing the size but not the shape? If the shape stays the same, then the triangle or figure's angle measures will not change. So what I mean by that is, let's say I make this triangle right here, and then I copy it, I paste it, but then I make it larger. So those are similar triangles, same shape, different size. But since they hold their shape, the angles themselves do not change. So these angles would be congruent. So even though the angles are the same, it's very obvious that they are not congruent. Okay? And then our last one that does not work is SSA or ASS. And so I always say don't be an ASS and don't put that down, because that one doesn't work. And the reason for that, guys, is because when we make triangles and then I make, say I'm focusing on this angle right here, okay, one more, let me redraw that again. Let's say I'm focusing on this angle right here. One more time. Okay, so let's say we have a triangle where we're doing ASS. And let's say that we're looking at this angle right here. Now, the thing about this is the side opposite it, I could make it go right there, or I can make it go right there, okay? Because the way that this works is this yellow side is not included in our ASS, right? So if I went ASS, technically I can move this side in so that it goes like this, and so that could be the same length, but obviously the triangle right here is a different size than the triangle right here. Okay, I'll talk about that more in class, but just know that ASS is not one of our options. All right, so let's take a look at some of the examples right here. Now that we kind of have the hang of this, I'm going to go through these kind of quickly. You may want to pause this and see if you can get them all right, and then play it and see, or excuse me, pause it, try them all, and then see if the ones that you got match up with mine. So, just a suggestion. So for number 1, angle, side, angle. So ASA. Number 2, angle, angle, reflexive side. So AAS. Number 3. Now take a look at this. Angle, side, angle. So that doesn't work, right? Because notice I'm skipping. So instead, let's start with our angle. Angle, angle, side. AAS. Always start on the edge, right? So we never want to start between things that we know. So see how that one's between this and this, okay? Never start between, always start on the outside. Next one. AAS, ASA. Not congruent. Because one's AAS and one is ASA, they have to match up. So even though those are two ways to show congruence, they have to match up. All right? So for this one, I would start at the right angle. So angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. AAS. Angle, reflexive side, angle, angle, reflexive side, angle. ASA. Angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Now, this one's tricky though, because look at 2 arcs, 3 arcs. So these are not congruent. Angle, angle, side. AAS. Number 9, angle, side, angle. ASA. Number 10, we have angle, angle, side, but we only have one angle marked here. Not congruent. ASS, ASS, not congruent. Angle, angle, side. AAS. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Good luck on the homework. Let me know if you have any questions.